Hello and thank you for joining today's session. In today's session, we are going to talk about one of our cloud apps, Produce. And what I would like to talk about are the 5 key benefits about Produce. As you most likely know, or hopefully know, that we have different cloud apps now, which is one is Build, which is for product management. We have Produce, which we will talk about it today. And then we also have Inspect, which is quality control. So what are the cloud apps? How does it work? Basically, what you do with the apps, you plug into your ERP system, so you have more. You have more from your ERP system. For example, the one we talk about is Produce. You see right here the little orange box, which is basically a shop floor, a production floor module for you, where you can handle all your production orders. And then we have quality control, which you can plug in when you have get a goods receipt and create quality control orders or after production or during production. And then we have Build, which is a solution, an app, which will help you with your item master data. But let's talk about Produce today. So it is a shop floor solution. So what do you do now? You might print out the production orders and then you write on it. And then you bring the paperwork out to the shop floor. And you, as the manager, you don't know who is working on what unless you go out to the production floor and make an announcement. What are you working on? And so on. It is not real time. First of all, you don't have real time data. You really don't have an overview. But with Produce, the manager has full visibility what's going on the production floor. So with Produce, I have 2 different licenses. You have the manager and you have the operator. Basically, this is your terminal for your ERP system because they can pull up the production orders on a tablet and they can start each route stage, each operation, whatever you would like to call it, and then the time is clicking. So, what are the 5 key benefits on this? Here they are. So, keep the overview. Prioritize the production orders to control the sequence and visibility on the shop floor terminal. Now you're like, well, what does that mean? If I log on to my app, so you access the apps via the browser. If you see right here, those are all my apps. And here is the Produce Manager. Produce Manager has full visibility. But you can set priorities right here. You have a priority column. You decide when the production order should switch to high priority, to medium, or to low priority. This is up to you because you have a setting. You tell the app when to change the priority settings. Then you as the manager can actually sort by priority and you make sure that the high priority production orders are being worked on, which you see right here, for example, that, hey, this production order has 3 steps. The first one has been completed. The second one is being worked on. So you can set your priorities right here with the app. Keep an overview what's going on the production orders. Terminal access. So you don't want to print the paperwork and carry it out there, so you want to have a terminal and for your users, and you of course want to put some instructions in there. Yes, you can do that. Again, if I go here to my app, so if you look at the Launchpad again, you have the manager. We just looked at it, where you can set priorities. You know exactly what's going on. By the way, what I forgot to show you is you can also have a detail view as a manager and say, the first step of this production order was completed. Who did it? So you can see who did it. And you, of course, can see also who is working on the second one. George is logged on, and Vicky, they're working in parallel right here on the second steps. So full visibility, and also the manager has a nice dashboard where the manager sees also who is working on what and what machines they're using. But now you're like, so how does the user log on? They log on through the operator. You give him a log on, they log in to the terminal. Oops. And right there they have all the production orders being released available, and they can go in here and start a production order. As you see right here, this one has been started, and right here they have instructions. They have a button down here. They have instructions, and you can enter instructions for the operator, which they can read before they start this operation. They also see what raw material is needed, if they have to book it, if it's backflush, or maybe it was issued ahead of time. All this the operator can see. And also the operator has full visibility also what has been done to this production order, just like the manager we saw earlier, because maybe I did a partial stop, I come back the next day, is somebody working on it, and so on. So you have the terminals right there, and you have access. No more paperwork and no more losing pieces of paper. Okay? And as you saw, the manager has full visibility. Paperless production. There we go. I just said it. No more printing out and bringing a stack of paper out there, and then you really don't know who is working on what, because you do have produce now, and you know exactly who is logged on and who is working on what. Okay, so paperless. Let's go paperless and save some trees. Collaboration. Connect in real time with your shop floor. You saw that also. You have real-time data. To me, that is always important. I don't want to key something into the system later or tomorrow because I have to leave early. You want to have real-time data, and with Produce you have it. You know what's going on. The operators are happy. They don't have to look for paperwork. They go into their tablet, log in their terminal with their terminal ID, and they see which production orders have been released, and they're ready to being worked on, which gives you real-time visibility again. So real-time data, real-time visibility, that's so important in any company. And you all know that there's nothing better when you run a business that you have real-time data. Because if you have real-time data, your reports are good, everything, you can actually answer your customers or your vendors, whoever, with a true answer, because you don't have to look around first. Oh, let me see. I'm not sure about this and this. You have concerning production everything here, what's being worked on. You have a nice list view where you can see what has been done to your production order. Like this one has nothing has been done. It has been approved. You see the due date, for example. This one has not been approved. Of course, nothing has been done because the operators on the workshop, on the production floor, cannot see this one because I have not released it. I have not approved it. Okay, so those are your five key benefits for Produce. Okay, but as you can see, it gives you more. You have a system now where you can get away with paperwork. You have real-time data, real-time visibility, and you have good data in your ERP system now where you can report on in real time, and you don't have to say, no, I cannot run this report because I have to key in all this information from those production order papers. I just got back from the floor, so wait a little bit, I cannot send you the report till tomorrow or 2 days. No, you don't have to do that anymore because now you have a solution that actually connects to you, connects to your ERP system, and you have a terminal now for SAP Business One, and you have a manager login where you can see what's going on their production floor. So that was a short video. I hope you liked it. If you need more information, if you want a full-blown demo, if you have a customer you think is a good fit, they want to automate their process, absolutely, please contact us and we'll be more than happy to set something up with you. Okay, have a wonderful day and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.